Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I've decided to start the channel mainly because over the years all my builds have been online and on various forums, and all the build threads end up being 50 pages with photographs and people commenting, and it seems YouTube is the way forward. So in this channel I'll be using it to strip down my supercharged 350Z, and basically it's going to full overhaul. It's going to try and be more or less a track car, hopefully a daily usable track car that can still keep on the road. I'm going to fit a V8 LS3 engine in, which I'll just show you just now, take you over. So this is a V8 that I bought for the car. It's got about 3,000 miles on it. It came out of a Caterham kit car. It pretty much looks brand new, as you'd expect for 3,000 miles. 6.2 litres. I've no plans to supercharge or turbocharge it, mainly because of the cost involved, but also 6.2 litres should be enough. Should give you around, time I put a new cam, a few other bits and bobs in it, inlet, should hopefully get about 500 horsepower, 500 torque, so that is absolutely plenty for what I need it for. So back over to the car. I'm going to be taking the front end off today. Bumper, probably headlights, radiator, intercooler, and make my way back to the supercharger. Try and strip as much off it as I can, because basically I'll be getting cleaned up and be for sale to help fund the rest of the build. Well, follow me along guys, put out as much content as I can. There are a few limitations, obviously. I have a job, full-time tradesman. This is a hobby for me, so please don't follow any mechanical things I do. Use your own brains in that aspect, because I'm guessing a lot of it, learning along the way. Yeah, full-time job, so I'll be doing some stuff at nights, weekends. Got a young family that I need to spend time with, obviously, so I'll put up as much content as I can, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, all the usual stuff. If I make mistakes, don't be afraid to point them out and tell me what I should be doing. That would be very helpful. Alright guys, I'm just going to stick a time lapse on and we'll get started stripping this down.
Just wanna go away from it. Is the beat one just play? I'm not a liar in the game. I've got a fire at my ship and I'll be made. Just play. next to this black fire. It's just you and I now. Just make me move right. Don't stop for nothing till you're in my bloodstream. Chemicals, get 'em moving. I can feel your blood. Keep it flowing, make it one more time, and then I do it again. Let you in under my skin, skin. Hey, let you in under my skin. Let you in under my skin. I let you in under my skin. Hey. We can do this faster, wrap it up skin tight. Blessing will sin right. Come a little closer, wanna feel you harder. Gotta take it further. Chemicals, get it moving. We got juxtaposed body fluids and the black fire burns, and then we do it again, again, again. Chemicals, keep moving. I can feel your blood. Keep flowing, do it one more time, and then we do it again. Let you in under my skin, skin. Hey, let you in under my skin. Let you in under my skin. I let you in under my skin. Hey. So put your body, body, body on my body, body now. I can feel it coming like a lightning in the sky. Put your body, body, body on my body, body now. I can feel it coming like a lightning in the sky. Body, body, body on my body, body now. I can feel it coming like a lightning in the sky. Body, body, body on my body, body now. I can feel it coming like a lightning in the sky. Let you in under my skin. Let you in under my. Let you in under my skin. Let you in under my.
Well, that's a wrap for today, guys. Got everything off that I was hoping to. No problems. Everything come off nicely. No rusty bolts. Nothing like that. So I'll just take a little walk through it of what we managed to get off today. So that's your engine looking pretty sorry for itself. Still got the fluid dampener there to take off. That'll go with the supercharger kit along with the oil pan, etc. You maybe can't see it under there. A few other bits and bobs. Elsewhere we have got just the arch liners, headlight brackets, shiny kinetics intake along with some intercooler tubing, the supercharger itself with the bracket, and that sexy V8 over there. A couple of wheels that will need to go back on for the car to go over to get the roll cage fitted, treadstone intercooler, and the fuel rails, headlights, slam panel, bumper. Yep, so that's us for today. I'll try and get a bit more done tomorrow, and I'll see you then.